you want to rip it?
Come on, Mike. Here we go, boys. Poor people of Cormorant. Mike should be going last.
All three of them, I could just woke them all up.
Yeah, go park in his driveway, Mike. 2 steps in their driveway. Hold on, let me just angle my exhaust towards their house. I wish we had more than like 1 turn.
Yeah, seriously.
But I mean, hey, we're really doing a good job with it.
Yeah.
We need to leave.
Might have just burned the spot there.
I don't remember how to drive! He's making me nervous. It's loud as fuck, dude.
Waits before I owe Micah a new rim.
Yeah.
Or clutch.
A lot of other things.
Or
possibly
motor.
a new frame.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do launch control.
Cat.
Ken, you can do whatever you want. Your car's silent.
Pop sound good on there?
Yeah, dude. Oh, Ryan with the speed! Yeah, Ryan's ready to get out of here, dude.
Is he?
We made a lot of noise.
Is he trying to dip?
Yeah, the cops are on the way. He called them.
He called him. All right, Chief Dummy, you're up, baby.
Is it time?
It's time. It's time to total this thing out.
Finally. Avoid the trees, buddy.
Time to finish her off, I guess.
It seems like a good time to plug the last time Ryan tried drifting in this parking lot. We'll play that clip right now. So you can really only go up from there.
Yeah, I kind of was practicing earlier, but not hard enough. It always seems to go worse in front of the camera, so we'll see what happens.
Nice!
Did I make up for last time?
You did a great job.